Hello everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make this granny square sunflower. This is how it looks. This is the front side, this is the back side. For this I'm using 4 set of yarns. This is the brown color, dark brown, yellow, orange yellow, brown and white. For this I'm using 6.5 mm crochet hook, a pair of needle to sew the ends, and a scissor to cut the yarn. Let's begin. So for this granny square, first I'll be using the chocolate brown color, the darkest brown. So let's begin. Take the end of the yarn that is over here and make a magic circle. Wrap the yarn around your 3 fingers like this and take your crochet hook and make a chain. Like this. This is your first chain. Now we will make 12 half double crochet in the magic circle like this. Wrap the yarn, insert the hook, yarn over, pull and pull, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops at a time. This is the first double half crochet of your project. Let's begin again. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all the loops at a time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I have reached the end and pull the end of the yarn. Pull it tightly so like this and slip stitch in the first stitch of your magic circle of the half double crochet. This is how your first row looks like. Now cut the yarn, continuous yarn, and pull it through your first row is completed. Now take the second color, which is light brown, and pull the yarn so for the next stitch you will insert the hook in the chain and pull the yarn, tight it, make a knot over here so it will be secure. Now chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, make a small puff like this and yarn over, pull through all the stitches at a time. Make a chain. Now insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. 1 2 3 4 5 loops. Now you have 5 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 5 loops at a time, like this. This will create a small puff on your second row. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, insert the hook. 5 loops. 1 2 3 4 5. Yarn over, pull through all the loops at a time, like this. Chain 1, insert the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over. Same process, I will make 12 small puffs on the second row. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops at a time. Like this, small puffs all around your circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1, insert the hook. Again, like this. Chain 1. Again yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch. Yarn over, pull through all the stitches at a time, like this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 1 and like this. Now cut the end continuous yarn and pull the yarn like this. This is how the second row looks like. So for the third row I am using this orange yellow color. This is how it looks. Now let's begin by making the knot. Insert the hook in this spaces over here and pull the yarn to make the knot to secure your project, like this. Now insert the hook, make a chain like this. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Leave this 2 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 like this. 1 2 3. Again yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all the 4 loops at a time. and chain 1. This is the puff stitch of your project. Yarn over, insert the hook in the next space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over, insert the hook, again yarn over, pull, insert the hook. I will make at least 4 half double crochet in this stitch, like this, and yarn over, pull through all the stitches at a time. This is how the puff stitch looks like. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, again insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. 1 2 3 4 5 stitches at a time and 4 rows down. 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 4 1 2 3 4. Yarn over, pull through all the stitches and chain 1 to secure. Follow the pattern and make puff stitches of all over your circle. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. 5 stitches. Now yarn over, pull through all the stitches at a time and chain 1. I will meet you at the end of this row to show you how your third row looks like. As you can see, I have completed my third row. This is how the circle looks like of all puff stitches. Now I will cut the continuous yarn and pull the yarn through the loop to secure it. Now I will take the last yarn, or the white one. This is the white one, and form this square shape of your granny square. Now take the yarn and insert the hook, pull the yarn, tight it so it will be secure. Now for the first corner we will make 3 triple crochet, then chain 2 and make 3 triple crochet again. So let's begin. Chain 3, two, 3, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again make a triple crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook, yarn over. This is the 3 triple crochet. Now chain 2, 1 2, again make 3 triple crochet in the same stitch, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook, yarn over, make 3 triple crochet, 1 2 3, like this. This is your first corner. Now insert the hook in the next stitch and make three double crochet like this. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 1 double crochet, again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 double crochet. Now again yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, make double crochet, 3 double crochet. Now again we have to make the corner of your circle, square. So yarn over 2 times, insert the hook and make a triple crochet, yarn over, like this. Now chain 2 and make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Like this. Do the same process all over this. Make a corner, then 2 double crochet stitches, then make a corner, then 2 double crochet, make a corner, 2 double crochet, then corner, 2 double crochet at the end. So I will meet you at the end of this row to show you how it looks and how to fasten, how to weave in the ends of your project. As you can see, I have completed my square. This is how the granny square looks like. This is the 3 double crochet stitches, 3 double crochet stitches at the end. Now cut the continuous yarn over here and pull it through the loop to tighten it. This is the back side, this is the front side. Now take your needle, this one, and weave in the ends to secure your project. Now cut this and stretch it a little bit so it will be secure. Now secure this and insert and weave in the ends so it will be secure. And now stretch it a little bit and cut the yarn over here. Again Do the same process on this side. Weave in the ends. Now cut this end. Your granny project square is ready now. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching.